In this module, we will be continuing Step 1, Part 2. After identifying your area of interest in the kind of business you want to invest in, now let's see whether you are ready. Is it important to check the company's background before you invest? Yes, definitely. We'll be discussing the three crucial elements that you need to look at before investing in any business. Annual financial statement. It is used to separate profits, assets, cash flow, and return on investment of the business so that you as an investor will have a clearer picture of the company's financial status. This helps to avoid any incomprehensible financial jargon and help you to understand the financial account entries better. Financial statements are influenced by the management's estimates and judgments. That being said, the impression that can be inherently found in the accounting process means that the prudent investor should take an inquisitive and skeptical approach towards financial statement analysis. Annual sales revenue. Gross revenue refers to the total amount of the sales contract, while net revenue reflects the amount billed to the customer at that point in time. It's important to distinguish between gross revenue and the actual sales number in business, where there are multiple sources of revenue including sales, interest, and other proceeds. Revenue allows you to know the market need of the product for the company you're about to invest in. OPEX, operating expenses. Operating expenses is the incurred charges when engaged in any activities, and it may not directly be associated with the production of goods or services. It's important to know both revenue and the operating expenses. From there, you'll be able to identify the net profit, whether or not the business is earning or losing money. Is the business profitable in the long run? Will you be able to make more than what you invested? In the next module, we'll teach you important formulas that will help you make rational decisions in any business you want to invest in. Hope to see you there.